Before you spend that loose change, stop and listen, because the everyday 25-cent 1967 quarter sitting quietly in your pocket, purse, or coin jar could be hiding something incredible, something life-changing. Imagine flipping over an ordinary quarter and realizing you're holding a coin not worth, depending on the condition and rarity. Yes, there are 1,967 quarters that collectors today are fighting over, and you might already own one without even knowing it.so. Don't blink, because in the next few minutes I'll show you Moneybag, the most valuable 1967 quarter-dollar types, collision rare errors, and varieties that make the price explode, how to check your own coins step-by-step, pushpin, and exactly what separates a 25-cent coin from one worth a fortune. Watch this video to the end, because the best values and high payout examples are revealed in the final section. You do not want to miss it.to. Understand why this coin can be so valuable today. You must first understand its story. The United States entered the mid-1960s silver coin shortage and rising metal costs, so the U.S. mint changed materials. Quarters were made of 90% silver. The mint removed silver and switched to a copper-nickel clad composition. The 1967 quarter belongs to this new clad era and was produced during a major demand wave. Because Americans were hoarding silver coins, the mint minted more quarters than ever before. But here's where it gets interesting. Because of the chaos in U.S. coin circulation, in 1965, 1966, and 1967 the mint. This means heavy checkmark. Every 1967 quarter has no mint mark. Heavy checkmark. Minting quality control was inconsistent. Heavy checkmark. Some quarters were struck using experimental or leftover planchets. Heavy checkmark. Rare mint errors appeared, and those are the ones that bring the huge money. Most people think 1967 quarter is not silver, so it's worthless. Not true. Collectors don't value coins only for their metal. They value small blue diamond rarity, small blue diamond high condition, small blue diamond mint errors, small blue diamond special die varieties, and 1967 is one of the most famous error years in the Washington quarter series. Some 1967 quarter varieties and rare errors are so unique that collectors will pay hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, and even six-figure prices for perfect or extraordinary examples. That let's break down how value happens. Most 1967 quarters are common because over 1.5 billion were minted. Typical worn examples. Backhand index pointing right, value equals 25 cents. $1. So yes, most are ordinary. But now we move to the exciting stuff. A 1967 quarter in stunning condition that never entered circulation is called mint state, MS. The difference between MS-60 and MS-67 can mean MS-60 $20, MS-63 $50, MS-65 $200, MS-67 $1 500 plus, MS-68 $7,000 to $15,000 or more. Few 1,967 quarters survived in such clean, flawless condition because no mint sets or proof sets were released. Most were used immediately in circulation, so uncirculated top-grade examples are extremely valuable. Even though no official proof sets or mint sets were issued, the mint secretly produced special mint sets, SMS. 1967 SMS quarters have sparkles, sharper details, sparkles, satin, or proof-like surfaces, sparkles, very high collector demand. A regular SMS coin is worth heavy checkmark $50, $300, but the top quality SMS examples can reach collision $4,000 to $6,000, even $10,000 plus in highest grade because they are so rare in flawless condition. This is where values explode. Collectors pay massive amounts for fired double die obverse, DDO, fired double die reverse, DDR, fire wrong planchet, silver or foreign metal, fire off-center strike, fire broad strike, error, fire full collar strike, fire missing clad layer, showing copper, fire die cap, error, fire struck on nickel planchet, fire struck on penny planchet, and normal 25-cent coin suddenly becomes Moneybag $500, $3, 000, $15, 000, even $50, 000 plus. And if an ultra-dramatic or undiscovered extreme error appears at auction, it is not unrealistic to see a six-figure, even $1 million bidding war. One unique wrong planchet SMS coin in the future could easily shatter price records. This is why coin collectors check every 1967 quarter. Grab your 1967 quarter and follow this checklist carefully. It must read 1967. All 1967 quarters correctly have no mint mark. Nothing under, in God we trust. The less wear and scratches, the higher the value. Look at magnifying glass tilted left Washington's hair, magnifying glass tilted left cheek, and jawline, magnifying glass tilted left eagle wings and feathers. If details are sharp and luster shines, high value. Check for exclamation mark doubled numbers in the date, exclamation mark doubled letters in Liberty, or in God we trust, exclamation mark weak areas or missing details, exclamation mark off center strike, exclamation mark missing clad. Copper showing clearly, exclamation mark wrong metal color, unusual silver tone. SMS quarters look more satin or polished and half. High voltage fuller strike, high voltage mirror-like surfaces, high voltage sharper edges, cleaning kills value instantly. Leave the coin untouched, and if you believe you have a rare error or high-grade example, grading is worth it. Type of 1967 quarter, potential value circulated, common, $0.25. $1 mint state MS65 $2.50 plus mint state MS67 $1 500 $4 500 mint state MS68 $7 000 $15 000 plus SMS average $50 $300 SMS MS68 4 000 $10 000 plus double die obverse / reverse $1 000 $10 000 plus wrong planchet errors $5 000 $75 000 plus major off-center error $500 $4 500 missing clad layer $750 $6 000 unique / unlisted monster error $100 000 $1 000 plus possible. So yes, the 1967 quarter can absolutely reach hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, and in rare cases, six figures or more. And there you have it. The full truth about the 1967 Washington quarter. Small orange diamond, yes. Most are common small orange diamond, yes. Many are worth only 25 cents, but small blue diamond, some are incredibly rare small blue diamond, some are worth hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars. Small blue diamond, and the right 1967 quarter, with a once-in-a-lifetime error or perfect grade, could realistically reach a six-figure or million-dollar auction because collectors are still discovering new varieties every year. So don't ignore the coins already in your house. The next huge discovery could be sitting in your pocket right now. If you learned something today, thumbs up, press like, bell, subscribe for more coin treasure hunting videos. Speech balloon comment 1967 quarter. If you want the next video to be about 1965, 1966, or 1968 quarters and their rare errors, push pin and share this video because someone you know might be holding a fortune and not even realize it. Remember, speaking head, never underestimate the power of pocket change because treasure is everywhere. If you want, I can also make Sparkles thumbnail titles, Sparkles viral video titles, and hashtag Sparkles full voiceover script formatting, Sparkles short, Reels / TikTok scripts from this topic. Just tell me. Rocket.